But not all pasta in Puglia is handmade by any means. There are many great commercial pasta makers, most of whom use wheat grown in Puglia and use old-fashioned artisanal methods to preserve the nutty flavor of the wheat. Their pasta is often shipped all over the world. One of the oldest and best known is a firm called Benedetto Cavalieri. Established in 1872 by the grandfather of the present owner, also named Benedetto Cavalieri. Commercial pasta in Italy, by law, must be made with hard durum wheat flour, higher in protein than our own all-purpose flour.
Of course, that is durum wheat that comes from the northern part of Apulia, and it's cultivated for us without the widespread use of chemical fertilizer, because we prefer to have quality and not quantities.
But what distinguishes Cavalieri's pasta from more industrial brands is the fact that it's made by what they call metodo delicato, the delicate method.
Yeah, metodo delicato. Delicate method means kneading at cold temperature, pressing and drawing very slowly, very gentle, and drying at low temperature, under 52 degrees centigrade. This is very, very important, because with a delicate method we can preserve the typical taste of durum wheat, the natural consistency. And White Spectator wrote about our pasta and said the excellent grain flavor and the delightful chewisiness.
Benedetto's son, Andrea, took us on a tour and explained how it's done.
That we, in our factory, arrive at durum wheat semolina, and we control that semolina, and then we begin the production. The first stage is the kneading stage, where we add to semolina only water. From the kneading machine, the kneading is pressed through the mold. It's gently pressed to prevent, in this case, the mechanical destruction of starch and gluten. And it's pressed through the mold, and we obtain spaghetti or penne rigate or fusilli. It depends from the mold. Every cut needs a different blend of durum wheat semolina and a different mold, because every cut has a mold, a specific mold. One for spaghetti, one for penne rigate, one for every cut. We have 26 different cuts. And then begin the drying stage. Drying stage is pasta is drying with a delicate method under 52 degrees centigrade to prevent the denaturation of gluten and to guarantee the typical taste of the durum wheat, the natural consistency. The roughness texture of our pasta is very important, because comes from the delicate method, the drying stage under 52 degrees centigrade, and from the bronze mold. And it's very important because our pasta can absorb the sauces you are going to add to our pasta.